welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we're going to do a test drive and a walk-around inspection to show you lights working on this beautiful 1972 GMC 1500 resto-mod pickup truck. Now resto-mods are becoming extremely popular in the market, as well as these pickup trucks. So you see them come together like this, and this is truly something special. This truck is a gorgeous example of these trucks, finished in a striking gray and white two-tone exterior. You really don't see this generation GMC all that often. You see the much more prevalent like C10 Chevrolet, but this truck here is just dripping curb appeal. Has the great classic styling, but under the hood is that awesome LS V8 that has all the convenience options you could ever want. So now we'll go grab the other camera and take this truck for a test drive. So yeah, now we're going to take that awesome 72 GMC 1500 for a test drive.
Yeah.
And that 4.8 liter LS just fires right up like you'd expect from a modern fuel injected drivetrain. Idle's nice and smooth. Has a great note.
Oh, that exhaust is set up just right on this truck. It does sound good.
Of course, with all the gauges being brand new, they all work just as they should.
You got a temp gauge.
Temp, oil pressure, fuel, charging, tack. So gauges that your standard C10 or GMC 1500 would not have come with.
GPS speedometer. So the truck starts, runs, performs just like you would expect an LS to perform.
You have a little bit of wind noise at the, you can't tell if it's the vent windows or?
I think mine's the vent window.
I can't see any daylight, so I can't tell on mine. But yeah, cruising about 50 miles an hour. I mean, real easy driving truck. I mean, power steering, power front disc brakes. I mean, it's one hand cruising, it drives straight as an arrow. I mean, it doesn't take very long driving this truck to just know that it is put together very well.
Yeah, and the gentleman that built this truck, he's been building C10 pickup trucks, specifically 68 to 72, for decades. And I mean, he knows these trucks like the back of his hand. You know, and he told me, he said, Justin, everything on this truck is new. The cab and the frame are original, and they were from California. He always starts with a rust-free cab and kind of builds the truck from there. But all your suspension, brakes, you know, all those components are new.
And a lot of the body panels on this truck are new.
Yeah, the bed. So you know, there's no patch panels in the bed. There's no rust in the tailgate. It's all new.
Yeah.
The cab, as you'll see, you know, from the pictures and the rest of the video, the walk-around inspection, the cab is in excellent condition, and it was a nice cab when he started. So, with the addition of that wonderful proven 4.8 liter LS V8, you know, the fuel injection, power steering, like Tyler said, power brakes, front disc brakes, air conditioning that blows cold.
It does, yeah. It's nice. It's a vintage air setup with the in-dash vents, so it's nice and hidden. It's not one of those under-dash units.
Yeah.
This truck stops extremely well.
Almost too well.
Yeah.
I mean, it'll stop on a dime.
But and it is a factory short bed pickup,
yeah,
which is worth noting. He always starts with a factory short bed.
And it has this kind of vintage Highliner headliner with built-in speakers and Jensen stereo, which It's wired up, so I don't know if it's a fuse, but the radio's not coming on. But it's kind of a cool feature because it's originally a radio delete dash truck. So
yeah, handles the roundabout nice and pretty level for his like C10 or 1500.
Yeah.
4.8 a little bit.
Shifts smooth.
It does, right up to 60. Great notes. He does have the truck tuned just to be a really nice cruiser, so the shifting is real smooth, so it doesn't jerk you.
Yeah, so I mean, you could, if you wanted a weekend warrior that you could burn the tires off, you could tune the truck, you know, make it that way. These 4.8s can handle some power.
They can, yeah. There's a lot of potential there, and it's pretty factory. I mean, it's unmolested, that 4.8 liter. So,
I mean, if you're
just looking for a classic pickup truck that runs and drives better than new.
yeah, this truck definitely drives better than a new 72 GMC, that's for sure.
I mean, it's just such an easy driving truck.
Excellent interior, it's in excellent condition.
Yeah, the whole truck is, I mean, throughout.
Yeah.
I mean, I have no problem taking this truck to my local cruising or car show. I mean, it's going to stand tall. People are going to want to talk about it, especially when you open up the hood. It's going to present it very well. I mean, it's a very tidy and clean install.
Oh yeah. You know, the bottom side, it was, of course, it was frame off.
Yeah.
The frame was sandblasted and treated. I think they say use PR15. Very nice solid frame. Beautiful truck.
It is, yeah. Not enough good things to say about this truck. How it runs, drives, looks. Just, just a fantastic example of this generation GMC 1500. Yeah, so you're definitely going to want to stick around for the walk around. Really just kind of highlight the work that's been done to the truck, because I can probably count on one hand.
The flaws.
Yeah, not use every finger on that one hand. The flaws in this truck. It's a nice truck.
Not many flaws.
No.
Beautiful truck.
So yeah, definitely stick around. So now that we're done with the test drive, now we'll move on to the walk around inspection portion of the video. And there's really not that many defects to show up. There is so much new on this truck, but the only things original on this truck still are the cab and the frame, and both have been restored.
And they were from California.
Absolutely, yeah. It's a nice Western rust-free cab and frame were used on this build. The build being, of course, like we said, about 2 years old. There's not going to be that many defects. And as you can see, the front windshield is nice and clear.
All your glasses are new.
And all your seals are new and in excellent condition. You do have a little rub from maybe where the doors, when they're kind of putting the body panels together, you might have a couple little chips here and there on the body edge. But coming in, your cowl is in excellent condition. You might have just a little pimple right there. But coming into your driver front fender, no real defects. I mean, absent of stone chips down low. Some dirt. I mean, that wood trim is in excellent condition. Your fender is extremely straight. No dents, dings, stone chips to note. You do have the factory style Chevy steel wheels with beauty rings and hubcaps. They're all in excellent condition. The driver's side of the hood is in excellent condition. No defects or stone chips.
It might be.
Oh, maybe a little pimple right there. Yeah. But the front of the hood, which these on these trucks is where these really get stone chipped up. I mean, it's nice and clean. No real defects to note. Your grille surround is in excellent condition, nice and bright. The grille itself is in excellent condition. Very straight, paint's in excellent condition. That's free of stone chips too. All the brand new headlights are nice and clear. Your front bumper is extremely straight, very bright. No defects to note there. Passenger side of the hood is in excellent condition. Might have another little, very, very minor wrinkle there in the paint, but other than that, no real defects. Very straight. Again, the cowl is nice and straight. You do have, looks like something kicked up and maybe hit the pillar a little bit, but not bad. Passenger side of the windshield's very clear. Passenger side front fender, again, some little chipping at the edge of the body panels. Again, probably just from fitment, and they're being put back together. But the fender itself is extremely straight and clean. Wheels and tires are in excellent condition. Moving on to the passenger side door. Your passenger side glass is all nice and clear.
New.
And yeah, new. Everything. Yeah.
There's so much new on this truck.
And then all your stainless trim around is in excellent condition. All your, like, your door hardware is all new and nice and bright. The door itself is very straight. You have a minor misalignment on the rocker there, but not bad.
Dirt from us, yeah.
So again, no.
As we all point at it at the same time, one little ding right there.
Oh. Trying to figure out if it was dirt.
Yeah.
But coming in, you'll see that the door is extremely clean. Your factory corner is not full of Bondo.
You have just a little bit of age, a little paint loss on that armrest, but the door panel's in excellent condition. And coming into the interior, your door jamb is a nice clean door jamb. Carpet is really in excellent condition. The whole interior is in excellent condition. Move those so you can see the whole seat. Newly upholstered vinyl and cloth seat. Your headliner is in excellent condition, and it's kind of a, it's got built-in speakers and stereo, which in the test drive we did say the stereo's in out. I'm not sure if it's just a fuse or it needs wired in. But your painted portions of the dash in excellent condition, and the padded dash is in excellent condition. But the seat's showing nowhere. And your seals are new and
Very tight.
Yeah, you gotta close that door. When you open the windows, the door's closed really easy.
Oh yeah. But going in, the addition of the slider rear glass and all that's in excellent condition. Nice new seals are excellent. Coming into the bed, the whole bed is brand new. So of course it's in excellent condition.
Get that side
Only
on the other
1,200
side.
miles on the build. I mean, the bed has maybe very sparingly been used, if at all. But the bed sides are in excellent condition, very straight. No scratches or defects to note. Your trim is in excellent condition. Again, wheels and tires are in excellent condition. Coming across the back, your tailgate is extremely straight. No real defects to note. Your nice trim with GMC lettering. Painted rear bumper is extremely straight yet. A little touch up there. Coming, you'll see there's no rust in the tailgate at all.
It's new.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also a nice
Well, it was replaced anyway at the restoration, which is about 2 years old. So.
And also your gas tank has been relocated to the back of the truck.
Yeah.
So it's not inside your interior. Tailgate closes nice, just like it should. Moving on to the driver's side, bed side. See, it's nice and straight. No real defects to know. driver's side cab corners are extremely clean. The driver's side door. The next thing is top of the cab. I mean, again, showing no wear or age.
On this side, the driver's side of the interior, and there again, you got some real small minor defects in the paint, but just a very clean truck. It's what you would expect though for a truck that's only got 1,200 miles on a very in-depth restoration. Driver's seat showing no wear. Driver's carpet is in excellent condition. New pedals at the restoration. One nice thing is it does have factory style AC vents in the dash. You get all digital gauges, so all your gauges are working correctly. And factory steering wheel, it's in very good condition, showing just a little age.
And that's how you close the door properly. Yep. On under the hood, you'll see a very tidy and clean engine bay, showcasing that great 4.8 liter LS engine. The whole engine part is very nicely detailed.
And what do you want? A resto-mod Chevy? An LS?
I'll go ahead and fire her on up.
Show you under the hood. Very nice and clean. Very smooth, no funny noises. That great sound we'll hear when we get to the back. The headlights, high beams. Driver's side turn signal. Passenger side turn signal. Brake lights, driver's side turn signal, passenger side turn signal, no reversals.
So if you're in the market just for an excellent classic pickup truck or just a really nice resto mod with that awesome LS power plant, you're really going to want to take a very close look at this truck. It's just a great example of these classic trucks, and not enough great things to say about this one that you can turnkey enjoy, drive it anywhere, great options. Yeah, so definitely check it out. Rock Solid Motorsports.